So here is the party light, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I'm gonna make a little video. And you can see I got the light plugged in. It comes with this nice attachment here so that you can actually hang it from the ceiling. That's the box it came in. Remote control, which does a bunch of cool stuff, and a well-written little instruction manual here. So we're gonna take a quick look at what this guy can do. Pretty fun. So you have the remote here, and in the top left corner you got your little power button, which obviously does that. This DMX button here, I'm not entirely sure what it does. It says it's to do something with the lamp. I'm not sure what that means, but it doesn't matter. This button here, the green one, basically stops and starts the motion, as you can see. Then you have this Music 1 button here, which is the sound active mode and turns the light off. Then you have this dynamic mode here, and then you have this button that'll do a quick little strobe effect, which is pretty cool. This will do a flash for you, so that's a lot of fun. Does all the colors. I really like that one a lot. That's a really cool party effect right there. This A1 button does a blue kind of effect there. Then this next one, A2, does green. A3 will switch you over to red. A4 does blue and green together. A5 does red and green. A6 does red and blue. And A7 does this kind of like interesting switching effect between the colors. And then these buttons here can adjust the speed of the motor. So obviously that's slower, and I can make it faster, and it's a lot of fun. That one's really cool. I like that one a lot. So there you go. You know, I had a party recently and threw this guy on. Here, let's turn the lights off real quick, and you can have a better look. You know, so that's what it looks like if you're having a party, right? That strobe effect is obviously pretty awesome. Let's turn a little music on. Get a little music going. There we go. So let's run through some of these real quick. And that's the coolest one, for sure. Uh-oh. Really cool.